Head National Park. We will be doing the Ocean View track, which is 1.2 km one way. It will be around 30 minutes walk. I'm not gonna add any music because I want you all to feel the breeze, hear the sound of the ocean while you hit subscribe and the bell button. They're on. You're funny. Oh my god. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to jump in the ocean. Okay, Darren's gonna do like a sample video while he jumps in the ocean.
Ganda, no? Gubat. Mas maganda yan. Hawak ko yan.
Burleigh Head National Park, going to Tallebudgera Creek. Yeah, so you should visit.
No place like Australia.